Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I am so happy to be doing this and I am grateful that you are doing this with me. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we all know, this season almost everybody is outside. Whether you are at a concert or a beach party or you are somewhere. Everybody is outside this season. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a look that you can use for all of these outings. Yeah. This look is going to be a soft glam with a touch of Christmas. Okay? Do not go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Stick around. Enjoy, guys. I have done my skin prep and that included my primer, so I'm just going to go into the face bit proper. I'm going to be using this foundation from L'Oreal Paris and I will use just two pumps. Is it our season? You don't want so much product on your face. This particular foundation is lightweight. Like I said, you don't want to do so much because whether you like it or not, you're going to be active, you will dance, you will do everything. You don't, you still want to remain, you still want your face to remain intact. I have applied my foundation now. I'm going to go with my contour and blush. Guys, I am done with my contour, my blush and my highlights. So now I'm going to set my under eye. I will also set the rest of my face that I applied foundation and cream products. I am done with the setting. Now I will do my eyebrows and also my eyeshadow. Guys, we are doing a brown smoky eye. So I decided to bake my under eye so that when I'm through, I'll be able to dust off fallouts from the eyeshadow. And for my base, I'm going to be using this brown oh, gel liner. Yeah, from Ega and Esther, and it's in the shade Toffee. What do we think? Guys, let me tell you something. Well, I feel like this is common knowledge, but I'll still say it for people that do not know. When you are in doubt, when you do not know what to do with your eyeshadow, just do brown smoky. Or if you can control it, black smoky eye. You can't go wrong with those two. Or I feel I'm not the only person that agrees with this, right? Just go for brown smoky. It goes for everything. I hope we are feeling this brown smoky. Yeah, yeah. So now go ahead and do my lips. I'll dust off my under eyes because if you've been watching my makeup tutorial, I feel like this is the longest I have baked my under eyes. I don't like it at all, but it's okay. What do you guys think? I feel like this season there are going to be red lippies, a lot of red lip combos, and I got you guys. Don't worry. Honestly, for this look, any red lipstick will suffice. Okay, I used this one from Nuban Beauty, and like I said, there are going to be lots more. So you want to stay tuned to this channel. I feel like this eyes is missing something, and I don't know. As you guys can see, I applied a bit of glitters my under eye, and guys, as I was doing it, something told me to stop. I wanted to go all the way, but something told me to stop, so I just smudged the rest of my under eye. What do you think? I think this is not bad, and it is great for this season, this particular season. I will just go ahead and spray my face for the whole look to come together. That is the end of today's video. If you have found this video helpful, kindly give me a fat and juicy thumbs up. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I am begging. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. I really love to hear from you guys. I want to get feedback. What do you think about this look? Will you be recreating it or will you be recreating it? Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye, guys.